6, pretest 6A. Number 1 should be 1/6. 1 is 1/6. 2, $4.80. $4.80. 3, $1.59. $1.59. 4 is 4 to 1 or 4/1. It's a ratio you can't just have 4 because that makes no sense. 4 to 1. Number 5, $2.56. $2.56. 6, $4.80. I'm sorry, $480. $480. Number 7 is $80. $80. 8 is 30 feet. 30 feet. 9 is D. 9 is D. 10 is 6 units squared, or 6 square units. 11 as a decimal is 0.4, and as a fraction is 2/5. 0.4 and 2/5. 12 is 0.8, repeater 3. 0.8, repeater 3. I wouldn't think you'd miss that one because I think that's on your reference sheet, is it not? Number 13, 9.3 times 10 to the 7th. 13 is 9.3 times 10 to the 7th. 14 is C. 14 is C. 15 is 9. 15 is 9. 16 is 10. 10. 17 is 7/12. 7/12. 18 is 26. 26. 19 is 0. And number 20, x squared. 20 is x squared. Wade Davis.
For 8, is it 30 feet squared?
No, I just have 30 feet. Unless the book is wrong. Just a measure of length would be feet. Does it ask for square units? I don't know. Carter Westfall.
Number 13.
13, 9.7 times 10 to the 7th power. Carolyn.
Number 6.
6, $480. Not $4.80, as I previously mentioned. Brand.
How do you get number 15?
Are there any other questions about answers before we go to the how do you do part of the play? Evelyn?
6.
6 is $480. Which one, Brand?
15.
Number 15. Let's see if we can't make heads nor tails of this one. Find the missing exponent. And here is the deal from what I can see of this. Brand. You have 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 5th, and they just want you to know that that would end up being 10 to what power? Well, 10 to the 4th power means you have 4 tens times themselves, and 10 to the 5th power means you have 5 more times themselves. So, in grand total, you have how many tens times themselves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the rule and the law of exponents is this: if you have the same bases multiplied together, you just add their exponents together. They're equal bases. They didn't ask you to do the problem out, which would be what? 1 with 9 zeros after it. They just asked you to put that exponent up there. Carter.
How do you get number 13?
Number 13. I'm assuming that's over here somewhere. The beauty of only the magic of this. The Earth's average distance from the sun is 93 million miles. Change that to scientific notation. What's the rule to change big numbers to scientific notation? First step, Carter, is you need to move the decimal, which is way over here, to a place where it makes the number between 1 and 10. So where would that be?
Between 9 and 3.
Correct. So now you have 9.3, and then you write down times 10, and the last thing you have to figure out is what's the exponent of 10 that's going to be there, and that exponent is just how many places you move the decimal.
7.
I moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. 9.3 times 10 to the 7th power. I can almost be guaranteed that this can't possibly, there must be more than 2 questions on this test. Must be. Those are the only 2 problems anybody missed. Small numbers yet mighty. Oh yes, Faith!
How do you get number 10?
Is that on this page or is this on the other page? There it is. Oh, what is the area with triangles of vertices negative 1, 1? And I think this fits on your homework paper, so you can probably just use the grid there. Otherwise, you could use a, grab a grid there, but I will do it because I think I got this. First of all, you got to plot your points, and I would definitely use a ruler if I were you. Negative 1 is here, correct? 3, negative 1 is right here, and 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 is there. So you end up with this triangle, correct?
Correct.
And then I would write down what is the formula for the area of a triangle. Wade says
1/2 base times height.
1/2 base times height. And then I would think to myself, base and height have to be what, Tyler?
Right triangle. I mean right angle.
Right angles. And this is, you cannot assume this is a right angle, and it doesn't really matter if it is. You are your own boss, and you can figure out where that right triangle is. The note I would leave to myself is this: you can find the height by drawing a line from the peak straight down. That will give you the height, because if you do this, do it in a lovely shade of green. Right here is the top of that. This right here, I'll draw a dash one. That forms a right angle with the bottom because it's straight down, every line is straight there. So your base and your height are going to be this distance, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your height is going to be how far it is from here to here, which is 1, 2, 3. So if you plug those 2 numbers in there, 3 times 4, and multiply it by a half, you get 6 units. And it doesn't matter where tomorrow's triangle is going to be just like that. I mean, you just find that top point, draw a dash line straight down. That'll tell you exactly how high it is. That's the base. Everybody is happy, ecstatic, overjoyed. Even Carter A. Yes, Carter A.
For number 8, the triangles of 5, 12, 13, and ask to find the perimeter. If you add those together, you get 20.
You guys said the wrong answer. Like the last time. That's a 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Wait, what did you say the answer was?
Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, I added wrong.
Yeah, 13 and 12 and 5 to me, I believe, is 30. And yeah, Wade, you asked about this. Yeah, this is just a measurement of length. There's no squares there. It's just 30 feet. Didn't ask for the area of the triangle, which you can find. But it probably does in the next one, does it? The next question asks for area. The triangle is a right triangle. It is also, left equilateral isosceles or scalene. Might be good to have your notes, but you know for sure, since all of these are different numbers, this has to be a scalene. Oh wait, does it say that it's not? It's a right triangle, it's also scalene. What was the question down there for that one?
Equilateral.
It is also, it doesn't say, it's a left triangle, it's an equilateral triangle, it's an isosceles, it's scalene. Yeah, it's scalene. Brand,
How do you get
number 1. I don't know. I'm gonna look. The minute hand of a clock turns 6 degrees per minute. In 10 minutes, the hand turns what fraction of a full circle? Did you happen to draw a picture? Every minute, which there's 5 between, every minute, it says, is 6 degrees. So it moved 10 of those minutes. So how many degrees is 10 minutes? Yeah, so you have 60 degrees, and then the question was, what fraction is that of a full 360? They already give you the stuff there. 60 is what fraction of 360? You just need to reduce that, divide by 10, 6 goes into 36. Evelyn!
For number 12, are we gonna be allowed to use our notes?
Which one will you spell? Yeah, you can, you always write yourself, people. You are in whatever, yeah, you can use your notes. You can write yourself a little piece of cheat sheet, whatever. You don't have to rewrite it, you can just use your,
Okay.
just have it out, so you don't get to go through whatever, yeah. What do we do? Yeah. You are allowed to use your whatever, your reference. Although you shouldn't have to rely on it, if you didn't know that, Wade, how would you figure it out? How would you find out what 5/6 is as a decimal?
Divide 100 by 6.
There's no hundreds there. Don't overthink this. You just do what? Divide 5 by 6. Bottom into the top. Guess what you'll get? What's that? 0.8 is 48. You get 20, which means you get 3, which is 18, and then you just keep getting 20s, so 0.8. It's not incredibly that difficult. Parker?
How do you do number 4?
4. During the morning commute, 96 cars and 24 trucks passed through the intersection. What is the ratio of, what's this say?
Cars and trucks.
So it is cars, first one given goes on top, trucks on bottom. How many cars? 96. How many trucks? 24. I'm not gonna do the gory math, but if you reduce it, it ends up being 4-1. And you can't say just 4, because if you said the ratio is 4, that doesn't, ratio has to have 2 numbers, 4-2 something, 4-2-1. You could write it like that. You could say 4-2-1, you could say 4-2-1, all of those are ratios. What did you do, Parker? What'd you get for an answer?
I got 9 over 2, which is
I'm guessing your division was bad. Did you get 96 over 24? What did you do? Cut them both in half, you get 48 over 12. Cut them both in half, you get 24 over 6. Cut them both in half, you get 12 over 3. Divide them both by 3, you get 4 over 1. Might be worth time to do it a couple times. Trev? Carter?
How do you get number 16? I know the answer of 16.
Oh, it's too late, I lost my answers. Solved by inspection. All you have to do is this. What number divided by 3 is 4? 12, correct? So when will this be 12? What number plus 2 is 12? 10. Again, this says solved by inspection, so you can still do that. Otherwise. Oh wait, Mrs. You're on this whole thing? Wow, so there is room for improvement. We're stopping with that. Nobody else has any other ones? Let's take a look here what we didn't talk about. None of this. See, if I were taking notes myself, I'd make sure I remember that anything to the 0 power is 1. And then I'd also make notes to myself that says you have to follow order of ops, which means you have to do multiplication first. This one here gave nobody trouble. Same thing here. Gotta do multiplication first, order of operations. Does my saggy aunt do whatever it is? What is that little thing?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's it? I'm not gonna earn my keep today. Are you sure? Nobody has any more questions? Pardon?
I didn't get number 18.
Did you add these together first, Carter?
Let me see. 18. Yes.
And you got what?
1.5. 1.50.
Well, I'm gonna guess then it's because you write too sloppily for your own good. Cause me, I get 1.56. And that gets divided by 0.06, which at the bottom into the top, so it's 0.06 into 1.56. Move the decimal 2 places, move the decimal 2 places, decimal goes right there. 2, 12, 36, 6, 26. Is that what happened? Slow and steady wins the race, as they say. I'm not sure who said that, but I think it was the turtle, wasn't it? Or the tortoise. Other ones, Parker, did you have a question, or was that it?
No, that was my question.
You got that one wrong too, huh?